Hello, dear viewers and champions of education. Today, we're embarking on an inspirational journey through the life and achievements of a remarkable woman who has made her mark on the world stage. Join me as we explore the extraordinary story of Michelle Obama, former First Lady and advocate for education. From her time in the White House to her continued dedication to empowering individuals through education, Michelle Obama's journey is a beacon of hope and inspiration. If you're as passionate about education and leadership as I am, let's kick off this journey with a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel for more stories of influential figures. Now, let's dive into Michelle Obama's incredible legacy. Michelle Obama is best known for her time as First Lady under President Barack Obama. While her husband was fighting for healthcare reform and other issues, Mrs. Obama worked on initiatives to improve education in America. She has been a role model for young girls and women all over the world because of her accomplishments, which include helping create Let's Move, an initiative that promotes healthy eating habits among children. Her work has helped reduce childhood obesity rates in America by about 50s, according to an article published by Time magazine in 2011. The former First Lady joined Harvard University as a visiting professor after leaving office in 2016. She also wrote a book entitled Becoming an Intimate Conversation with Michelle Obama, 2018. Oprah Winfrey praised Mrs. Obama as one of Time magazine's 100 most influential people for 2017, along with Beyonce Knowles, Carter B. Once, and Jada Pinkett Smith. Michelle Obama is one of my heroes because she was able to live her values so beautifully while being such an effective politician. Michelle Obama is a former First Lady who fought for better education in America. Michelle Obama, the wife of President Barack Obama and former First Lady of the United States, is a passionate advocate for education. She worked closely with her husband on his healthcare reform initiative, which aimed to expand access to affordable coverage by creating an online marketplace where individuals could purchase insurance plans from private companies or government-run exchanges. Mrs. Obama also supported efforts to reduce childhood obesity through healthy eating campaigns, such as Let's Move. The program emphasized exercise and nutrition as keys to preventing childhood obesity and promoted physical activity through public service announcements starring celebrities like Beyonce Knowles, Jamie Foxx, Steve Carell, and Amy Poehler, to name just a few. In her role as First Lady, she had a number of initiatives to help educate children and empower people in the United States. Let's Move campaign. The Let's Move campaign was launched by First Lady Michelle Obama in 2010 to fight childhood obesity. It aimed to eliminate barriers that prevent children from having access to healthy food and being physically active, especially in low-income communities, so they can grow up healthy and live long lives. Bully prevention. In 2011, she helped launch the Reach Out and Read program, which provides books for children at doctors' offices nationwide and has been proven effective at reducing bullying behavior among kids. Mrs. Obama worked with Congresswoman Rosa DeLauro DeWitt. Mrs. Obama worked with Congresswoman Rosa DeLauro DeCal. Senator Tom Harkin, DIR, on legislation called Student Success Act that reauthorized DSEA for another 5 years. Educational opportunity. On July 19, 2015, President Barack Obama signed into law the Every Student Succeeds Act SA, which replaced No Child Left Behind Nation's primary. 12. Education law. Educational excellence. This legislation invests $1 billion per year over 10 years into improving teacher quality by rewarding successful teachers while providing more opportunities for those who want them but might not otherwise get them due. She worked closely with President Barack Obama on his campaign to reform American healthcare. Throughout her tenure as First Lady, Michelle Obama championed the cause of healthcare reform. She was a key player in the public relations campaign to get the Affordable Care Act passed, helped to educate people about healthcare reform, and advocated for women's healthcare. She also advocated for the Let's Move campaign, which aimed to reduce childhood obesity by promoting healthy eating and exercise. Michelle Obama launched the Let's Move campaign in 2010, which aimed to improve the health of children by encouraging parents, teachers, and communities to help kids eat healthy and be more active. The goal of this campaign was to reduce childhood obesity rates in America by 2020, and it was successful. According to a report released by the Centers for Disease Control in 2016, there has been a significant decrease in childhood obesity since 2007. After leaving the White House, Mrs. Obama joined Harvard University as a visiting professor of civic engagement and citizenship. She works with students who are interested in learning about how they can make an impact on their communities through volunteer work or social activism. In her classes, she teaches students about civic engagement and citizenship by focusing on helping young people find ways to use their talents to improve their communities. She is an inspiring figure for young people to look up to as someone who has achieved great success by using her own personal experiences in order to help others achieve theirs. She was named one of Time magazine's 100 most influential people for 2017, along with Oprah Winfrey and B1 Knowles. Carter! Time magazine named Michelle Obama one of its 100 most influential people for 2017, alongside Oprah Winfrey and Beyonce Knowles. Carter, the former First Lady, was listed as a leader in the category of empowerment. The magazine praised her for being a role model to women across the country and around the world. Michelle Obama has been able to make an impact on both education and healthcare in America through her work as First Lady. You know her as the former First Lady of the United States, but Michelle Obama has also made an impact on education and healthcare in America. She's been able to do this through her work with President Obama on his campaign to reform American healthcare, as well as through advocating for the Let's Move campaign, which aims to reduce childhood obesity by promoting healthy eating and exercise. As First Lady, Mrs. Obama was instrumental in pushing legislation that would require healthier food options at schools across America, something that she continues to advocate for today through her work with Let's Move. The former First Lady is known for her advocacy and activism, which has helped to improve the lives of many people in America. She is also a role model for young girls who want to follow in her footsteps by becoming leaders themselves someday. As we conclude our journey through the life of Michelle Obama, let's remember the enduring power of education and leadership. Michelle's story reminds us that each of us has the potential to create positive change in the world. If you've been inspired by her journey, let's continue to spread that inspiration. Show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Together, we'll continue to celebrate individuals like Michelle Obama, who have left an indelible mark on our world. Thank you for joining us on this empowering adventure.